Ready to embark on an unparalleled student housing adventure in Adelaide? Welcome to Yugo Adelaide City, an exceptional abode seamlessly blending class and convenience. Whether you prefer the independence of studios or the convenience of en-suites and shared apartments, there's something for everyone at Yugo Adelaide City to choose from. Each room offers a cozy bed, a dedicated desk and chair, and a spacious wardrobe to organize all your belongings. What's more, unwind and socialize with fellow residents in the co-living lounge and binge your all-time favorite shows at the in-house cinema. And when it's time to tone up those muscles, head straight to the property gym to work out. Also, the on-site laundry, high-speed Wi-Fi, and bicycle storage are sure to upgrade your stay to the zenith of convenience. When it's time to hit the books, the University of Adelaide and the University of South Australia are both a pleasant stroll away. On weekends, explore the Adelaide Botanic Garden and experience the unparalleled magnificence of Australian nature. And savor the best flavors at Yankees Burger Bar, CBD, or Grilled Rundle Saint. Also saving time and money is the new cool with various tram stops near this incredible abode. So, what's holding you back? Head straight to emberstudent.com to embrace unmatched Australian hospitality at Yugo Adelaide City, your future home away from home.